YouTuber who has zero subs.
Yo, what's up, guys? So today we are doing one v one v one with my guy Sakuna and Dragon Ivory here. We are doing random one and only thing we are doing is random all.
Oh,
Crossroads! GG!
Guys, bro, so happy.
Like
you are
this.
way too happy. And
I
then,
love this
and then,
map. I'm better
I'm
with
not
this map actually.
for one round. I'm not gonna use my flag. After that round, I'm gonna see how the results are. If the results
I just
are bad
want to
and
tell you guys something. Someone is using crossbow plus me and one the Dragon Ivory know everything about this map up to down. No, never mind. I have that. Both of
of
us
course,
had.
no, of course, of course.
Bro, seriously, do a recording. We don't believe you right now.
No, on every round you either have spear or the other side. You never have the knife. You the fist. You just
No, I do have the knife. I knifed you, remember?
Yeah, he did.
oh yeah, one round
Yeah.
where you
I
knife.
also
He
had
also
fists.
had fists.
I also punched you to death.
Bro got punched to death. That's how did you kill me? I was on a trampoline. Let's just say if you don't do damage, never mind, you win. Both of you have won one. Why? He wins.
One.
You win. Do you think you can lose this? At any? Yeah, you can. Never mind. Bro, how are you losing this?
I can't even see where he is.
Both of you are jumping on the same trampoline. How?
Okay, the results are very bad, so you know what? This is cooked. I'm jumping off.
No, bro. No, bro. I got a mission.
I am the bow.
That is not allowed. I see the
No,
base
man.
plate map.
At least I did 60 damage. Of course, why can't you let me off in this, huh?
What?
Why did you let me off?
Oh.
From where? From where?
Here, here.
I saw him, but I couldn't do him that fast. Okay, back
Okay, I
to
am
that.
off.
I'm hitting trick shot with sniper these days. I see one guy, and I know who he is. A battle axe guy.
Oh, the first time you just got me.
No, it's second. His second
I
time.
got it a few
His
times. I
second
got
time. Bro did so much damage to me.
Yeah, I was unable to. Bruh, you did so much damage, Ahmed. You can be the best.
More than you.
You will win the YouTuber 1v1, bro. You'll win the YouTuber 1v1. Don't
Bro,
forget
I
it.
will beat. At least I can beat Venduli.
Nah, anybody can beat him, bro.
No,
Even
except
you.
for and
Yeah, probably me too. Azlan being
I'll
stupid
easily
for
beat
5
one.
seconds. Azlan being
No,
stupid
and
for
you
5
lost.
seconds.
And you lost. Never mind.
I'm in the lead still.
Still,
Yeah. Let me check where
let's.
Azlan is at. Azlan, why are you cursed? Use the spear. Use the spear, bro.
Oh!
I was above that.
How? I just hit it randomly.
No, you are hacking. You are hacking.
Look at the recording. Look at the recording. Coincidence? I think yes.
I think not.
I want to
Absolutely.
jump off. I want to jump
No,
off badly.
I just appeared from nowhere.
yeah, you were like, hello, you want some peace?
Hello,
Then
Bozo.
just, I was in the air.
Come, come, come.
I honestly asked at this point. Hey, why have you jumped off yet, huh? Liar.
Because I want to kill you first. Then I'll jump off. Now can I can peacefully jump off even if I want to.
Well, he's gonna get killed so he can. Look at his grade. Look at his spear's grade.
Bro, I'm just
Yes,
so far
spear
away.
pro max.
Spear, bro, Max.
I can't even hit one shot with a bow. Oh yeah, I hit
Wow,
one
one.
at least.
No, he's not. He's so far away.
How?
Yeah,
Bro, he's hitting me from the tunnel.
I'm the Spear Pro Max, bro.
From the tunnel.
Battle Axe Pro Max time.
From
He
the
just
tunnel.
went. God,
Bro, from the.
God,
Actually,
give it from JJK. What did I do?
I'm gonna find you.
Oh,
Death is coming.
hello, Death. Hello,
Also, it's
Bozo. Hello, Death Bozo.
That's the way.
That
I got
doesn't
you.
have.
Oh, Azlan, would you stop doing this shit? Who gave you the smoke grenade? Who allowed you to touch the smoke grenade? Who allowed you to touch the smoke grenade?
Hollow Gamer
Got
with
a
smoke
problem.
grenade and you with.
Spear and spear sight. Basically melee.
Bro, what am I doing? Why I don't have any good weapons except for the fa, which I just used.
Why don't you
I know
use
you have
the
AR.
Why don't you use the satchel?
Oh,
Because it's
I
red.
can see it.
Does you have a skill issue?
No, he doesn't have a skill issue. That's the problem.
Bro, you were in the ground for a second. You're chilling in the Okay, you're gonna win as you're gonna
I
win.
know it. I'm counting. I'm doing my maths. Shut up. I'm doing my maths.
English, Spanish. If you keep running away, you say.
Okay.
Oh shit. Never mind. I can't. Don't care actually.
Fight them straight ahead using the satchel. This English
Satchels. I don't know how to use the satchels.
system has the transport. Bro.
How? I won. How?
I didn't really do damage to you.
How? Okay, you did it after.
No. Oh my gosh.
I got it. I got this one.
You have the spear.
Boys,
You-
sit down.
You're either gonna
Yeah.
become John Cena or you have the spear.
The question is, no, he
I
has
hear
not.
burst. Yeah, he has burst.
No, I did not. I shot him, he's 50 HP. And you're just waiting for him to come out, aren't you?
He is in a tunnel. I know that. I am not going in there because he's using bazooka with flares.
Yeah. Azan, if you don't come out, you're gonna lose the match. Okay. Ahmad is out.
Yeah, I see him.
Wow. That was in the direct shot.
Bro just moved out of the way. Okay.
No, I don't.
You wanna shoot there? Okay, I'll shoot there. You know what? I'll shoot here. If you want to shoot there. Wow. Ahmad.
Not I'm jumping. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys are cheating. You.
What do you mean by we are cheating? I'm just too good for you all.
No.
Or really, 1v1 million. 1v1 random.
No, not that.
Let's go 1v1v1 but we can choose our loadout.
Yeah, probably that's better.
Yeah, Azlan, then you can choose the sniper and show your skill, I guess.
No.
Don't
Because if I
don't even think of that. Now you're dead. Now you're dead. You have that again. Why do you have that again? Actually, why the hell do you have it again? Okay, he wins. The
Yes,
guy
yes.
with 0 wins. The guy with 0 wins this round. You have a bazooka. He can't win. How did you kill me?
Where is he?
I told you I was good with the melee, bro. I told you.
Where is he?
Somewhere above my corpse, to be exact. You can see him. He saw you.
Gonna die. That is coming, Azlan.
Why are you? Yeah, why do you have the freezer equipped? Are you sure? He has the type.
That is coming.
Oh my god. That's coming. That is coming.
Bro said now I'd win. Wow!
Bro.
How did you miss that?
How did I damage you? He didn't like him, but I did it wrong way.
Yeah, that's the thing.
The problem was there was a skill issue there.
Yeah, it was 100% skill issue. I need to run away. I wanna run away.
And I need to
Hello.
Every time out.
Hello.
Why don't you fight straight up, bro? Why don't you fight straight up?
Okay, I did. You have the same HP. You have this. You both have the same HP. But Hollow Gamer will win this. What was that? Actually, what the hell was that sniper aim?
Bro,
I mean bazooka aim. Bazooka aim.
Bro, I can't see him. That's the main problem.
You guys have the same HP.
Where is he?
I just got 48 HP both of both of you. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Wow.
I need to
Oh
increase the
no! I can't let him win. I have to win this. I was just playing around. I can't play around now. I'm gonna become John Cena.
I accidentally forgot to change my loadout because I was
Jump
chasing
off.
my guy.
Jump off.
No.
No, bro. You have to jump off. That's cheating. That's cheating.
First go.
That's cheating.
No, first go. Okay, fine.
I was freeze red as well. How?
That's
Fear.
coming. No.
Death is not coming. Death is 21 HP. Kill Death.
Where is he?
Death is in front of your eyes.
That is coming.
Bro, that was pure auto aim. You hit his torso. Okay, now you can't have same loadouts, please.
Okay, I didn't have it.
Now I need to actually play, or he will win.
Guys, guess who has the spear? Definitely, of course, he has spear every round.
Yeah, Death.
That is waiting. That is waiting.
I saw you hollow, but you just hollowed yourself into a ground.
Please follow. What else can you say?
What the hell were you thinking?
I couldn't. No, I'm not. My alarm got went off. I couldn't that off. There's no flare. No, what did he jump off?
The flare helped me. The flare helped me.
That was auto aim. That was auto aim. I saw
Yeah,
where
I
you
agree. I
spoke.
agree. I don't know how, but they added auto aim to PC. Yeah, that was also auto aim.
Yeah, you also aim and you also.
No,
and you
but not on sniper. We don't get auto aim on
No,
sniper.
you do have it on sniper. I see the shots.
Sometimes, not every time. Sometimes.
Sometimes I just said sometimes I auto.
No, I don't have auto aim. The rivals gives me auto aim. The rival god gives. I don't know how. That's a glitch. I think I need to report it to Nozni.
I'm a English Spanish. Don't just walk with me.
Okay, I'm jumping off.
No, don't do it, bro.
Bro,
You're not
I
getting
can't.
off your game.
Don't do it.
I still won.
Why do you
Another-
guys not?
Last one.
What about this? We can choose our loadout.
Yeah, then you can show off your skills, bro.
Well, guys, prepare for you to jump out to everywhere.
Show my skill issues.
If listen. If we let you have your own, listen. If we let you have your own loadout, will you jump off?
Me?
Yes.
No, this guy. Okay, do you want your own loadout or not?
But guys, I have an idea. Let's have every weapon we can choose. But we can choose any weapon we want. But one weapon-
Let's one person.
We are banning one weapon each. We are
choose our loadouts.
Listen.
Choose his loadout and we all have to copy.
No. Listen. Let's listen. We are banning one weapon for everyone. Every one of us will ban one weapon for everyone, and we will have to choose our own loadouts.
No. First, no. I'm gonna ban first. Ahmed, you're gonna
No,
ban me.
No. One people will be banned. It will be banned for everyone, like ranked. It will be like ranked. It will be banned for everyone. Okay, you choose first.
Okay,
Supernova.
I'm banning this here.
Okay, you Nova.
I'm stuck. Guys. Oh, no.
I'm banning this sniper.
Okay, me. I'm banning the.
Wait. The sniper.
This sniper. No. The
Okay,
No, you already banned it. The sniper is gone.
okay.
I choose the
Okay, so
bazooka. I choose the bazooka.
No. Okay, so basically, the actual RPG, the sniper, and the spear is gone.
Okay, let's go.
Right.
Bro, your entire life has been alive. Bro's
Fine.
entire life being alive. But map is random.
Okay, boss, you can pop now.
Okay, now admin. You know what I'm going to use. You all know what I'm going to use.
Bro, I said boss, we jump off the game. It's like, nah.
Admin. I'm Gojo Saturo. Bro, you all, at least Hollow Gamer knows what I'm going to use.
Yeah, the AR.
I don't think this is called the AR. I'm back. Hello, Bozo. I'm probably going to lose this if you don't stand still for a moment. Please stand still.
That's nice for snap.
Sorry. Okay, knife. Let's do knife all. Because we didn't ban anything that will require movement except for snipers.
Listen, we can use support weapons like Freeze and Medkit.
Yes, we can.
Hello, I was saying something. Bro, I was saying something.
Okay, so just move then.
Move
Moving
out.
is
I was using my weapons and I was like, thank you, guys.
support weapons like freezer and medkit are allowed.
Support weapons like the Freezer and Medkit are only allowed. No Molotov. Smoke grenades also
Grappler is allowed. Grappler is allowed. Grappler is allowed. Smoke grenade.
Okay, grappler is allowed.
Grappler is.
Ahmed, I was using my weapons and I was saying something.
Sorry.
Use medkit. Did you use medkit?
Yeah.
Yes. Ahmed, who gave me to
We listen. We can use medkit, grappler, and freezer. Only 3 weapons we can use.
Ahmed, you cheated.
And warhorn and we can also use warhorn.
All I'm gonna say, Ahmed, you cheated.
How?
I was using my weapon and I was saying something. You clearly heard me.
Okay, if I kill Afras, you can kill me.
I'm out.
Are you sure about that? Okay, I missed that badly. Why do you want to die so badly? Kill me. Kill me. No, bro. If you yeah, I'll cheat it until I knew he was choosing his weapon. That's the reason I killed him. Now it's gonna be fair.
And that's all.
Everyone got freeze red. Even I got freeze red. Oh yeah, I killed him.
I knifed at the wrong time apparently.
Yeah, you did.
Your legs go, bro.
I have another very good weapon I can use as support. I don't want to use right now.
I don't know how to use
You can't even use that weapon. Why are you running?
It's like when it goes at its, let's say, me POV me when I see a single. Ityaj, Mama se ban.
Player.
How? How?
Well, bye.
He's using never mind. Even if you do, that doesn't make a difference. I'm going to use a very good weapon next round. Oi! Why are you using knife? Why are you using the revolver and AR? You should use the dagger and bow.
I did a random also
Why?
for knife.
I love my knife skin.
Ityaj, theek hai. I'm gonna be AFK, don't kill me.
Do you know what to do? Not kill him. We are not killing him until he gets back. We are doing a 1v1.
Well, the 1v1 will end with him winning.
No. How will that? If you lose or I lose.
Well,
Bro,
now
what the
I
hell
know.
is happening in Thakuna's background?
His sister. Hey, you using daggers. I saw that.
Sorry,
I
yes,
saw that.
accidentally clicked it. I swear, but it didn't hit. You did it.
Nope. How did I not do that? I'm gonna. Yeah. Calm this. Takura's back.
Where is Thakuna?
I don't know. Bro, my AFK in bed disappeared.
Bro, I'm just killing him, or it will not end the match. It will not. It will make him win at the if the timer comes out.
Let's see. Not here. Hey, I thought you were. Oh,
It is knife only.
no, I thought you were saying you were gonna kill Takuna.
I killed him already. That is cheating.
I'm AFK. Why did you kill me?
Sorry, bro, you got cooked. Sorry, bro, you got cooked. You win this.
I stabbed your head.
Bro, why am I using okay, now it's gonna be fair all. I didn't kill Hollow Gamer. Thakuna left.
Not let this Takuna spot, okay? Because we killed him. And he was AFK.
Okay, Thakuna is back. Thakuna, you can kill us. I'm
Hello,
freeze
hi.
red. I'm freeze red because of this. Thakuna, kill us.
Takuna, where are you?
Kuna, kill us. We are giving you a free point.
Like, okay, I saw you. Come here. Come.
Where are you?
Ah,
I see you.
I'll never mind. We and Aslan will do a 1v1 and whoever loses will get killed by you. Yeah, kill him.
I will lose. This will get killed by him.
Yeah.
First, I'm sleeping
Just
here.
kill him.
Do you see this? Do you
Come
see
in
it?
come in the middle. Come in the middle. Hollow, come in the middle.
Okay.
Never mind.
Yes, I
He
did.
he saw you. He saw you. He saw you.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did. Don't use that. He's
Don't
30
use that.
HP. He's 30 HP. He's 30 HP. Oh wow.
That is. Yeah, what can I say?
They know that I'm young. In them they trout.
They know that I'm gonna get killed because I don't have enough.
I got black, I got blue. What you want? Darling, how about set a ransom? They know that I'm young. In them they trout. Take my flight, take my F for ransom. That I'm young.
There are actually two songs with good black in them.
How
One
is that not a backstab? Why are you guys teaming on me? I'm running. But actually, medkit is not considered support, and we shouldn't use that.
No, it's considered support because you're not damaging someone else.
Warhorn, we can also use Warhorn.
Is the Molotov
Yes.
considered support?
Yeah. No, it was not. No.
Where's Emma?
In front of your eyes. You're teleporting.
I be teleporting, bro.
Bro, you're actually teleporting.
I be
Yes, he's teleporting. Even for bad camera mode, he's teleporting.
I'm a hacker. How did you know? How did you know I'm a hacker?
He was hacking.
I'm a hacker.
I'm going to report you to Nosdi and get a free skin case.
No. What
Claudia doesn't care.
Nosdi, why? I'm gonna
Because he
kill.
hasn't got because his kids hate him.
He's a kid, bro. Not me, probably a kid. And
Who
very
told you that? He's a freaking full-time coder.
He's a grown adult. Who told you he's a kid?
Or a well-adjusted member of society.
Well, that's well just a member. Just with his brain apparently.
It's probably his little sister.
His little sister doesn't even know properly.
Sorry.
He's out here deciding.
Someone shot me. Someone.
He's playing criminal.
Sorry.
Anna.
Bro, how are you guys so good with the... Never mind. If we get arena, let's go to a private server.
What do you wanna do?
Get arena. Normal
Luckily,
arena.
Yeah. This is
Bro, what the hell? Bro, he's behind you.
Really?
Wow. What is this movement? How did I die to you? Both of you, actually. Okay, Nissan, I'm going to clutch this up.
Okay.
I'm drinking mango milkshake.
Should I start shooting?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
What do you mean? Yeah, why not?
Revolver it is.
No, not that kind of cheating. I said he's drinking mango milkshake, then we can kill him.
I asked if I could shoot and you said yes. Revolvers are coming out. Oh, someone
First,
shot
I do not allow you to not. First, I do not allow you to not use revolver against.
He's
only
dead.
against Ahmed.
He is dead.
Okay, what was that? Hacker.
It's called knife skills.
Wait, what will happen if you auto clicker? What will happen?
Nothing will.
I don't.
You will auto click. How?
I'm knife god now, Ahmed.
Okay, you wanna do that? Let's do. Wait. We are doing a 1v1.